Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert video in Google Docs. So let's get started. First thing first, open Google Drive in any browser. Now we have to import the video here. Simply just drag and drop the video here. As you can see that it is uploading. Wait a little. Once it is uploaded, right click on the video, then click on share and then click on copy link. Then open Google Docs and simply paste the link. As you can see that video is here. You can click on it to see the video. To make it look better, open the video and then click on Windows Shift plus S and take screenshot of the video. Open Google Docs and then click on Ctrl plus V. Then copy the link. Then right click on the screenshot. Then click on insert link. Then click on paste. Then click on apply. Then after this, when you click on the video, it will show the video link. Click on it and then your video will be opened. And that's how you insert video in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.